Welcome to my quarantine crib. So, Hubby and I arrived today, yesterday, December 18. Pero sa haba ng processing dito sa hotel, inabot na kami halos ng 1 o'clock. Pero sa airport, mabilis lang. Mga siguro roughly 2 hours lang kami sa airport. We were already outside, kaya lang ang tagal maghintay sa bus. And we were brought here in Ramada in Binondo. So it's one person per room. So hubby is staying in a different room. Nasa same floor naman kami. So I'm staying here. In fairness, it's a big, clean room. And dito lang ako for the next, I don't know, hopefully lumabas agad yung result and negative siya. So I have the amenities here, which is great. So I think I will have a big closet. Practically store the bags there para out of the way na siya. And yep, yeah, plenty of water, great kasi uhawin ako. And what's in my room's view? It's so dark. I'll take picture tomorrow pag maliwanag na. So, welcome home to me and my hubby. Hopefully, negative ang result para makauwi agad. This is my dinner, free from the OWA when I arrived. So I'm just going to eat quickly, take a shower, and then sleep. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. Need some rest. Good morning and good night. 7:15 in the morning. And this is the view outside our hotel. It's the church. Binondo church. And it's raining, I think. Welcome home. Morning breakfast has arrived. Haven't checked kung ano pa siya, but I got these 2 packets. So, silipin natin. And 2 apples and bisal. Smells good actually. Yes. Oh, corn silog. Okay, I was going to say corned beef and fried rice. Okay, dalawa siya. So, di ko sure kung breakfast lang to or lunch na siya. But I received 2 packets. So, save ko na lang the other one or later just in case. Bon appetit!